Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apple, your Ilongga vlogger. For today's video, we're making this DIY Graze Box. So come on, let's start. Alright, so for our container, I'm using this recycled cake box. And I'm just going to show you guys the montage of what I have done for this DIY Graze Box. So guys, so far this is what I got for my Graze box. This is my first time creating or making this DIY Graze box. So what I have here, this one is butter coconut na biscuit. This one is Wortman na choco chips. We have almonds right here, berry nuts. This one is like stick-o, Deca ata yung name niya. Pringles, we have cheese, grapes, choco nuts, and then we got the cashew nuts here, almonds right here, butternut, and then another choco chip, and then cashews. So I made it like balance to each of the side, but actually it really depends to you kung gusto mo siyang i-balance. Oh, by the way, this one, I'm not sure ano pangalan ito, Pokey. So strawberry flavor. It's like popero or pepero. What's that? It's like that. But yeah, that's what I have so far. So overall, I just like this Graze box. So for those that doesn't know what is a Graze box is like, of course, as you can see, it's a box full of snacks in it. So assorted, whatever you want to put in there, that's what you can. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention there's cheese right here. So this one is Eden cheese and the grapes. So yung iba nilalagyan nila ng wine, or if it's in a bigger box, it really depends to you if what you're gonna do or what you want to put on your Graze box. So for me, this is what I have for our New Year's Eve, the DIY Graze box. Alright guys, so here's our simple foods for the New Year's Eve. And of course, Happy New Year to each and everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for supporting my channel. And if you are new, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you do like this video, hit the like button as well. Let's say thank you to 2020 despite whatever has happened, despite of all the challenges, and welcome 2021. See ya!